Welcome to this video, an analytical teardown of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. We will explore everything from its display architecture and thermal performance to how it stacks up against the competition. The 2025 landscape for the Galaxy S25 series focuses on three main pillars: hardware unification with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, industry-leading display dominance, and system-wide AI integration. Overall, the series prioritizes performance and stability over radical redesigns. Samsung sets the industry baseline for displays. With a 120Hz LTPO panel, 2600 nits peak brightness, and a superior anti-reflective coating, the S25 Ultra currently holds the top spot in the DXOMARK global display rankings. Under the hood, the S25 series features the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite, 12GB of RAM as standard, and an expanded vapor chamber cooling system designed to manage thermal output effectively under heavy loads. In real-world gaming tests, while the titanium chassis can run warm, the expanded vapor chamber successfully caps temperatures. This prevents thermal throttling and maintains consistent frame rates during extended sessions. The S25 series presents a power paradox. While battery life is strong, offering up to 29 hours of video playback, the charging speed remains capped at 25W wired, which lags behind other current flagship standards. The camera system is a 5-lens array, featuring a 200-megapixels main sensor. However, hardware is only part of the story. The true imaging power now comes from how the optics interface with Samsung's sophisticated software engine. The ProVisual Engine brings advanced AI capabilities, including tools like audio eraser for noise reduction, object eraser for background manipulation, and ProScaler for AI-enhanced image upscaling. Galaxy AI acts as an invisible operating layer, enabling cross-app actions and intelligent assistance. Be aware, however, that while 7 years of updates are promised, some advanced AI features may transition to a subscription model by the end of 2025. In a head-to-head with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the S25 Ultra leads in display, ergonomics, and software stability, while Apple retains an edge in video consistency and motion capture. The base Galaxy S25 is a silent disruptor. It packs the same powerful chipset as the Ultra in a compact form factor, making it arguably the most logical high-value purchase in the current flagship market. Addressing common friction points, overheating is managed by the vapor chamber, charging speeds can be optimized with official hardware, and navigation gestures can be restored using the Good Lock app. Regarding longevity, Samsung guarantees 7 years of updates through 2032. Again, remember that the potential introduction of subscription fees for AI features could impact the long-term value of these updates. In synthesis, the Galaxy S25 series isn't about radical change. It is a refined evolution, delivering the world's best display, managed thermal performance, and a stable software ecosystem. Thank you for watching this breakdown of the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. We hope this information helps you understand the strengths and trade-offs of this new flagship lineup.